Hi everyone, I'm here to do an unexpected unboxing for you guys, and I'm gonna just make it a collective haul. So I bought like a few small pieces here and there. So one being this watch that I have on. So it's super cool. Let me show you guys. So it's like a galaxy face. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's rose gold. So it just has this long bracelet, and you put it through here, this loop, and then it's magnetic, so you can just put it on like that. Super cool. And this was $6, so I got two. So this is how they come. So it says just for you right here, little flower. And I got the purple one. It's so gorgeous. I'm just gonna put it on so you guys can see how they look next to each other. Look at that, you guys. So cute. I love it. Anyways, so those two. I also just got this sweater that I'm wearing. So it's a mustard. I've been looking for like a really good mustard shirt, and this has gray, burgundy, and white stripes. It's super cute. I got this from Ross, and this is in a size medium, and it's super thick and warm. So if my face looks red, that's because it's really hot in here. I have these lights and it's just hot. And I got another sweater, this really beautiful burnt orange. I've also been looking for a good burnt orange shirt. Looks like that. I got this in a size large, and this was $18.99. So cute. So those are some good finds. I also bought some stuff for my children, but those are already washed, so I can't show you. Anyways, so now for the very big item. And I have two to unbox actually. So let me unbox this first. So excited. And this I got from The Real Real. Fashion fades, style is eternal. Yves Saint Laurent. And this is just my receipt and visit us. So yes, so I got this 20% off, and yeah, I'm excited. So it just came in this bag, and this is the Real Real dust bag. Ooh. Take it out. Ta-da! Ooh. So this is my Fendi mini Peekaboo in the yellow. It's like a mustard yellow, so that's why I wanted it, because it's not like neon yellow. Oh my gosh, it's super cute, you guys. It's so cute. Okay. So it came with the crossbody strap, which is adjustable. So this was listed at, I believe, 900 something, and it was 20% off, but it was final sale, which is fine because I paid $700 for this, and I've been looking for a yellow, just like a different peekaboo, because everybody has the black with, and then the gray with the confetti bar, but I just wanted something different, and I wanted a, you know, like a color, and I got it. So it does have plenty of wear, which is fine because that 20% that I got off, I can just use that money to send it to leather surgeons and they can just fix it for me. However, I feel like it's fine. It's not too bad. So let me show you guys. So there's some corner wear right there. Corner wear. Corner wear. And corner wear. Here's the bottom. There's like some color transfer right here. And just like some nicks on the leather. But I don't mind it honestly because I am gonna wear it, and I mean I take care of my bags but I don't baby them. So I feel like it's inevitable because this is like a really soft leather. I'm not sure if this is lambskin. But yeah, it doesn't have any tags. So I don't know which one's the front. I guess it doesn't really matter. They both say Fendi on this little clasp right here, so I guess either one is the front. But I just unhooked these and the crossbody, and this is a silver hardware, and I think the silver just really pops against the yellow. I feel like this was gold, I would have preferred it, but I don't. I really like the silver. Some wear on the handles right here. But yeah, it's really cute. And I'm surprised because like pictures I see, they look super, like they look bigger than I thought. But this is actually a good size. It's not too big, it's not too small. So I like it. I was gonna compare it to my Gucci mini, but I think I have that downstairs. So I'll do a separate video later on. But yeah. And then the next thing I got came in this box. I'm gonna open it bottom up because the other side has my information on it. So excited. Ta-da! Okay. So I got this item from Luxury Next Season, Penny on Instagram. Hi! So you guys probably already guessed what it is. So it came in the Fendi dust bag to reveal. Dun da da da! So I got the Fendi Peekaboo Defender cover. It's so cute. And she stuffed it for me because I asked it to be stuffed. Take that off. And then a Fendi tag right there. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm just gonna... So there's 3 snap buttons on the side. Each side. Okay. So cute. So I thought this would look really good with the yellow because you can still see the pop of yellow but still have that fall feel. Hi! I'm in my room, you guys, and my son just woke up. Alright, you guys, it's time to put it on. And I kind of wanted to flare out a little bit, so we'll see how that works. So here it is. And it fits right in. So cute. And then there's these holes right here where these flaps can just insert into. So let's do that. To look like that. Actually, I'm just gonna flip it around because I want this to be on this side. So I'm just gonna flip it around. Alright, put it on, and then same thing, just gonna insert it through this hole. You guys, we went to the movies today and we saw Instant Family and it was so good. I was crying multiple times and it was really cute, and the movie theater was packed. So if you guys haven't seen it, I definitely recommend you seeing it. It was super cute. Alright, here it is. Oh, how cute is this? So like I said, I wasn't planning on doing it up. Let's see if it'll just like flare out on its own. Like so. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. And it's this really like shiny, it's not canvas. Yeah, it's not canvas, I feel like, because canvas, well, this canvas is way thicker. So it might be canvas, but just like a thinner, slightly shinier canvas. I'm pretty sure this trimming is leather. The black trimming is leather, but I'm not 100% sure on that. But I do like that it comes with this luggage tag. Super cute. And then this says F, the double F. Fendi Roma Italy. Fendi I just sounded illiterate right there. Fendi Roma Italy 1925. Cute. So I don't really have any charms to hang on, but I do match. Don't like it. I do not like that. Okay. So I was shopping around for like a Fendi strap. Ugh. A Fendi strap to go with it, but they cost more than I paid for this bag. So I'm like, ugh, is it really worth it paying more for a strap than I did the bag? So I'm still gonna keep shopping around and I'll let you guys know if I find anything. But yes, let me. I'm so happy with it. It's so cute. And I've just rambled on for however long this video is. It's so cute. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Bye.